perpendicular bisector. Okay. Now perpendicular bisector refer to this line. Can you highlight that line? Okay, wait. I need to add a layer. Perpendicular bisector means this line. Can you highlight this line? Okay, so this is perpendicular bisector. So you want to point to it. Now, can you tell me what is special about this? Perpendicular means what? Very good. Bisector means what? Intersect, no. Intersect, yes, but how does it intersect? Bi means what? Bicycle, how many wheels? Tricycle, how many wheels? 3. So bi means 2. So this one means 2 equal length. Okay, write down 2 equal length. Now, looking at this diagram, right? Can you tell me where are the 2 equal length? Left and right. You mean here and here? No. You mean here and here? Wrong. Okay, it's not here and here that is equal length, but it's here and here that is equal length. So can you indicate this is double stroke, this is double stroke? So let's see what the pink line do. The pink line cut AB into half. And this is 2 equal length. Okay? So there is another name to it. I write in red because it's important. Instead of by perpendicular bisector, it's also a line that bisect 2 points. Okay, the key word here is 2 points. Later on, I will show you another one. Then you say, oh, so this is the difference. Okay, so this part is okay. Now, let's go on to the steps. Now, how do I draw the steps? So I say, oh, step 1, choose a radius more than half of the length. What does it mean? It means that I have to take out a protractor. Can everyone take out a protractor now?
Which one?
Oh, no. This one.
What's there?
Compass. This is the compass. Yeah, I missed it. Don't force me, I tear my shirt. Okay, now, I'm going to zoom in. Just now I asked this girl, I said, can I have the soft copy because I'm going to use tablet to eat. Then she asked, then how are you going to draw the tablet with this? Yeah, okay. But this is how I'm going to do it, alright? Now I'm going to zoom this in.
Oh my god.
I'm going to zoom this in. Now, what do you mean by half the radius? Now, if I take this, I open, I place the needle at A. Now, if I open it small, okay, and I draw a arc, do you think the 2 arcs will join?
No.
What are you talking? Maybe. A lot of incredible hot here. Now, I have an X here, okay? Now, this is my A, this is my B. All look at the board now. If I open small, I put my needle at A, I will draw an arc. I put a B, I will draw an arc. Will these two meet? No, you will never meet. So the key word here is you have to open such that it's more than half. Now what do you mean more than half? That means I open big. When I open big more than half means what? If this AB is 10 cm, I must open how much? 6, 7, 8. If I open 5, you know what will happen? I open 5, I draw. This will be 5 cm. Will it meet? They only meet at 1 point. Not enough. So I must open more than 5. You understand? So I look at the diagram here. What I want you to do is this. I want you to open such that it's bigger than slightly half. Do I have to measure? No need. So put your needle at A. What I want you to do is I want you to draw an arc. Ignore this cross. Just open a random one. and draw an arc. Draw an arc. Draw now on the paper. I will draw now with my. Maybe I can try I was here by this point. So I will place it here, and then I will draw an arc.
Teacher, you just put inside that. You put your pen inside the thing.
Go away. Okay, so I have something like that. Do you follow? Like that and like that. Do you follow? I want to draw this line and this line. Now, question is, can I draw one full line? Answer is yes. But later on you have a lot of lines, then you'll be confused. So you just draw something like that, something like that. Now, this thing don't touch, don't open, don't close. Use the same radius, go to point B. Go to point B. Can you draw another line so that it will cut this line? So I place the needle at B. I place the needle at B and I draw. I will have this line and this line. Okay, come out. Okay, you will come out. Blink, blink, blink. Okay. So once I have the two crosses, what do? You join the two crosses. And that is how you construct a perpendicular bisector. This is how you construct a perpendicular bisector. Now, question: If I now choose another radius, I open a bigger one. Do you think it will still be the same pink line? Yes. It will always be the same pink line. You understand? So it doesn't matter what is the radius you use, but you have to use the same radius at point A and at point B. Don't touch the thing. Now, can all of you hold your compass? Now, I'm going to teach you how to hold. Now, you either hold by the needle, or you hold by the top. Okay? So usually I hold by the needle. I place, and then I can draw. Alright, try now. Now, don't hold too big, so you just hold, One day I will bring up the screwdriver. I'll help you tighten the top here. You tighten the top here. Okay? Why? Because it's better. Otherwise, when you draw, right, then you lose, then you will. Once you press on the paper, right, it will open itself. Once you press very hard. Okay? So this part is done. So let us go through the steps. So at center A, mark 2 up. The 2 up means up and down. Then go to B, mark up and down. Then you join. Done. Okay, now next one. Angle bisector. Okay, can you underline the word bisector? Tell me what it means. Two equal angle. Very good. Two equal angle. Then I look at this. This one means where are the two equal angle? This one and this one. So where do you think is the angle bisector? Which line? Very good. Can you? Easy, very easy. So you want to point this down here, and this is called angle bisector. This is called angle bisector. So this line is the line, the pink line is the line you want to construct. Now, put in red words. There's another way of telling this. That is, draw a line that bisect two lines. Okay, I'll let you copy first. Pardon me with the So it's a line that bisect two lines. It's a line that bisect two lines. Okay, can you put? Okay, I zoom out and then I want you to compare this and this. What's the difference? This one is bisect two points. This one is bisect two lines. Now, the bisect means equal length. So, I suddenly thought of an exam word that is useful to you. So, you cannot zoom in, so I zoom in from here. Can you put another equal? Sometimes they don't use the word bisect, because very low class. More atas word is this word. Whoa. Equal distance. Equal distance between two points. So next time when you see, Joey, can you construct a line that is equal distance between 2 points? What do you construct? Perpendicular bisector. Okay? So similarly, if they ask you, Zini, can you construct a line that is equal distance between what? Two lines. Then what do you construct? Angle bisector. Angle bisector. So far okay? Now my question is this. What does this even mean? Can someone tell me? I have a line here. What do you mean by equal distance between two lines? Where? X and Y. X and Y with respect to what? You mean this line and this line is similar?
Yes.
No. So this line means this line will cut these two lines into two equal parts. And this is what it means. It means if I were to draw a line that is perpendicular. Balik. If I were to draw a line that is perpendicular, and I would draw a line that is perpendicular, this length and this length is the same. Okay? I draw another one. Let's say I draw one more here. This perpendicular distance is the same as this perpendicular distance. So this pink line will cut these two lines into two equal distance. Where are the equal distance? The green and the green. The red and the red. Understand what it means now? Okay, now, then the next question is, how to construct the pink line? How? Very simple. First, so I go by the thing again. So at center B, this is my center B. What you want to do is you open up a small one. Small means this one is no good, too small, difficult to draw. Slightly open, bigger. Now place it at B. I want you to construct. Ignore the X and Y. Ignore the X and Y. Construct one here, same up. So I draw one that cut AB. I draw one that cut BC. Do it now. So I use my blue color. I place it at B. I use my blue color. I place it at B. I will draw one up. Wrong color. I will draw one up and one up. Do you have these two up? Yes. Okay. Now next, what do you do? Read. Using the X and Y. So using this 1 and 2. This is 1 and 2 as center. Mark two arcs of equal radius. That means what? That means now I put this. Do I have to change? I can change, I can go change. So let's decide I can go change. Use the same one, place the middle at 1. I want you to draw an arc somewhere here. Do you follow? Place the middle at the 1 and draw an arc. Okay, for demonstration's sake, I'll just use the same one, then I draw an arc. It will be something like that. If I place at 1, I'll draw up here. What do I do? Now I place at 2, I draw another arc. So I place at 2, I draw another arc. Do you see? This 2, if I place at 2, I will construct this. I place at 1, I construct this. So with these two arcs, I want you to join where? Join B and the cross. Join one line. So same question, if I use a different radius, will I be the same thin line forever? Yes. Okay, so I can use any radius I want. Okay, so this 2 is okay. Construct a perpendicular line. Okay, now next one, the third one, this is my third one. Now, I want you to draw a line below. Draw a line below. And draw a dot on top. Draw a line below. Draw a line on top. Now, what number 3 wants you to do is to draw a line that is perpendicular from this point to this line. How do you draw? Last time? Or just
from point P then just draw.
No. Will you even say, oh, sure, what about this? I take my ruler, this is my base, I just place it here, and then I draw a cut. Is it 90 degrees?
Yes.
Yes. But in geometry, not accurate enough. So how do I draw a very accurate diagram? So I cannot say I draw this like that. So you see, if I draw it this way, I'll have something like that. I'll have something like this. In exam, this is wrong. You know why? Even I use a protractor, I measure this is 90 degrees. In exam, still not wrong. Because in exam, we look out for the working line. Where are the working lines? All these curve, all these curve, all these things are all working lines. So we must look at the working line before we get to the mark. So you cannot argue saying, sure, how can you want me wrong? You measure, I confirm, I swear, 90 degrees, cannot. You sure want me wrong. First is the working line. So how do I draw a working line to construct this line? So a perpendicular line from point to line. So you use your highlighter. You want to highlight that this is the line that they are talking about. Now this is the line that they are talking about. Okay, let's start. So let's follow the instruction. From P, draw an arc that cut the line into 2 points. So what do I mean? From P, you open P so that you can draw an arc. Draw an arc. I want to draw a different arc. Draw a different arc. So I draw on my diagram. So place consider at P. So you draw a different arc. Mine is definitely wrong because I draw freehand. So when you draw an arc from placing consider at P. Done. Next, with the instruction. Using these 2 points as center. Where are the 2 points? This is my point number 1. This is my point number 2. Then what do you do? Put the needle at 1, draw an arc. So you have something like that. Put the needle at number 2, draw an arc. You have something like that. Put the needle at 2, you draw, you have this line. Then you join from P downwards. Okay? How do I show that it's 90 degrees? Can you look at your protractor now? What? Someone borrowed and written. The semicircle thing you have, you place it there, you measure. Is it 90 degrees? Should be. Should be. Okay, next. Now, okay, I'm going to be very particular. Now, step number 2. Okay, this one is what? I want to construct a triangle with 3 known lines. You have space, that's the next page. Okay, so what I want you to do first is I want you to draw a line AB. Draw a line longer than is required. Can I measure AB? How long is AB? 4.2. You measure, is it 4.2? Is it 4.2? Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to punch a hole into your ruler so that it's easier for you to measure the length. So this is what I'm going to do. Now, this is your ruler. You have 1, this is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1, right? Now I'm going to punch a hole here. Okay? So whenever you measure, example, I want to measure You rest your needle into the hole, and you open such that it is reading at this line. So for example, if I want 0.4 cm, all you do is, the wrong way is you place your needle on top of the ruler. Then it can move, am I correct? It can move, so no good. So I place the needle onto this hole that we created, and then you will just measure 0.4. So this is 0.4. Then you have 0.4. Yeah? So I'm going around to punch the ruler. It must be a plastic, it must be transparent. Okay, so if you don't have, then yeah. If you can punch yourself if you want to. Why am I sacrificing on ruler? So that you can get 2 marks. So very simple, you just place your protractor, place your compass into the hole. Don't you see how? It's not for you to see. I just want you to rest the point into the hole that we created. Okay? Measure what? Measure 4.2 cm using your thing. Measure 4.2 cm. Place the thing into the hole. There was once I pressed so hard, the ruler split into 2. Ready? No, 0 is not the first time. 0 is here. So cannot. I'm going to use another ruler. You can do it yourself as well if you are comfortable, but you must make sure there's no parallax error. Once there's parallax error, then it's not accurate. Parallax means your eye must be on top of the ruler, not beside the ruler. So place it on the hole and measure 4.2 cm. Can you rest at the hole? Is it easy to rest at the hole? Sorry, I'm not strong enough to pierce through a metal ruler, so you get a plastic ruler. Meanwhile, you share first. Okay, now, first step. Everyone, first step. Can you place the thing, place the needle at the hole, measure 4.2. Come back to here, place it at A. I want you to draw with this 4.2, draw an arc here. So you will see an arc. You will see an arc. I want you to construct this line. How to construct? Simple. Place a needle at A. This is 4.2. You created 4.2. So you draw. Does it meet at B? No. Huh? Oh, see? That bad. No, you didn't draw a line. First step is to draw one long line that is longer than 4.2. Put a point at A. Then you draw a line. Okay? Then after that, put the needle at B and you draw So you will see two lines like that. Now why am I doing this? So that I confirm that these two arcs that I constructed confirm 4.2. This one is confirm 4.2. Okay? Now, do you understand how to construct these two lines?
Yes.
The C.
Oh.
Simple lah. For example, if they tell you PC is 5 cm, what do?
Put
Put 5
5.
cm, put a B, construct an arc.
Okay.
Then, if they tell you AC is 10, you put 10 cm, you put an A, you construct an arc. The 2 points that they cut definitely will be, this will be 5, this will be 10. Clear?
Then how you know must cut here?
How do you know where the point are roughly? You don't know, you draw a full circle. Confirm will come.
Yeah.
No need lah, you just roughly know somewhere here lah, so you just draw like that. Just draw a longer one, if not sure draw a longer one. Okay? Now, then you draw the line, then you construct the triangle already. Later we try a few examples, then you can get a hang of it. Alright, next one. A parallelogram with two known sides and one inclusive angle. So can you highlight? This is the known side. This is the known side. This is the angle. These three things is the known one. So how do you want to do? Same thing. First construct what? Construct what? Construct AB. Underline. Construct AB. A bit pointless because it's already drawn there. So you construct AB. How? Same thing. You draw a long line that is longer than AB. Example, let's say AB is 5 cm. You will draw a long line that is more than 5. Maybe 10, 7. Then with 5 cm, you mark the ruler 5 cm. Draw an arc. So you know these two arcs will be 5 cm. Now, second step is the angle. How do you do the angle? Second step is the angle, FAB. Example, FAB is 20 degrees, so you measure 20 degrees. Do you know how to use a protractor?
No. Yeah.
Can I revise with you how to use a protractor?
Definitely. No.
Definitely. First, let me capture a protractor. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start. Now, can you tell me? Okay, this is your protractor. Everyone will have a different one, but everything is the same. Now, if I want to measure AOB, I want to measure this angle. Now, where do I place the protractor? Do I place it at 1 or at 2? It must be 2. This is wrong. So you must rest this OA at 2 at this line. Okay? Now, point O, this special point O, where is it? Is it here or is it here? Here. So your point O will be here. So you don't have to do anything, you just listen. You have to know that this is my line and this is my A, this is my O, and I have a line here. Ooh, wrong. I have a line here. Now, there are two ways to read the protractor. You notice that this is from 0 to 180. This is from 0 to 180. Okay? So if I want to read this angle, I will read from the inside.